Welcome to the CrispMetrics. In this video we will see how to take input from user with the help of input function. It is the code where we did not use input function. But here also we are able to do addition. So it will simply return us 6. But let's see how to use input functions. So here we have to just put input function instead of values. So copy above code and replace values by input. Remove the 3, and write input in both x and y. After executing, you can see it is asking for the values. Let's write same values, 3 and 3. Oops, now there is a problem, addition should be 6 but it returning us 33. So here it is a very small problem. The problem is, input function always takes value as a string. Let's fix this issue now. You can also check the type of z, it is string. So again copy the code and paste it. Now before input, we have to use int function to convert string into integer. Let's do it, just write int, and inside that pass input functions. So, now execute this. Enter the same values. Now it is giving us correct value. Let's check the type of our output. So yes, now we successfully converted out string into integer. So here is the question is, can we use float in this way? Answer is yes, we can do it. For that just copy the code, and paste it again. And remove int and write float. Now execute this, and pass some decimal values. You can see, it is returning us correct additions. So let's check the type of z, it should be float. With the help of float function, we are just converting integer into float. Now there is one more thing, eval function. In that you don't need to take variable again and again. Like this, here just pass your equations, it will return you directly answer. This is all about today's video. Please subscribe to the channel.